Today's a big day. I'm putting in closet packages in the two closets, the guest and the main. We need to take a break to hear from our sponsor, Ron Polk and the Smart Wood Shop, the small, mobile, awesome rolling toolbox. The Polk Smart Bench, the Polk Smart Station, as well as all of the accessories that work with the system and makes it so functional. If you want to get a set of plans to build any of these for yourself or all of them in a package, there's a link in the description of this video down below. This has been a challenge because back when I had my Blum press and was set up doing a little bit of cabinetry, I always built our closet packages. I went around here to a couple of different places and the prices were astronomical. I was going to have them provide the materials, you know, the closets ready to assemble or pre-assembled and I installed, but they weren't going to do the install. I had one place, $4,000, and they said that I would have to do the assembly and the install. And I didn't even respond. That was just so ridiculous. Another place I went to and they build themselves in-house, but in another state, and they wanted 8 weeks. The other place was 8 weeks as well, but they wanted just over $1,000 per closet. So much better price than the other place, but still not anywhere near what I'm willing to spend on these tiny little closets. To make them myself, I would need to, I'd want to set up for boring the 32 millimeter holes, and I have a jig that I can do it with the drill. But I want to pick up the Festool version. I haven't done it yet, so I'm going to get that so I can at least get back in line when I need to do little things like this. I can do it. But I would have also had to buy the material. I didn't really want melamine, and so that would have probably been my best option if I built it myself. I'd bore the holes and do it, and I wouldn't have to paint them. But I'd rather have wood and plywood. It doesn't have to be solid wood. And so I could have used the same material I built the bulk benches with. I have a few sheets of that. I probably would have done it with that. And this would be real pretty stuff, painted just white. But we shopped and shopped around looking at some of the mass-produced companies like Rubbermaid, and there's a bunch of them out there. The ones that were readily available, like the Rubbermaid, they were fine, but you know, I looked at them in the box stores and they were cheap, chintzy looking. And I didn't want to go there. But I found these Allen Roth. They are solid wood. They're painted white. You got a choice of a stained wood color, which is darker. And then there's an antique white, a gray, and then a white. And we just wanted the white. And the kit is, the box is upside down, but it's a center tower. And again, it's made with sides that look just like this and one drawer, and the drawer looks pretty good. I've got to assemble it. Haven't done that yet. But, and then it has metal poles and then a shelf across the top. I would like another shelf between, it's upside down, but between the upper and lower hanging, I want a shelf there so I can buy that and add it. And also, I think we're going to add 2 more drawers. Again, you can buy them and add them. Couldn't do it right now because they're not in stock, but we're going to get in line and see where we go. And I want 2 of the towers and then add, you know, have each with 1 drawer and then add 2. So that would be 6 drawers, 3 for my wife, 3 for me. We wouldn't need any dressers or anything in this space. It could all be in there and plenty of hanging. The third kit would go in the guest room, which has a really nice, deep, long reach-in closet, and it's going to work out great in there. Now, I've already done a little closet I'll show you. This is the same company, the Allen and Roth. This one is just the tower, no drawer, and it had 5 shelves counting the bottom and the top. And I had to squeeze it into this space. This one had this was a dark closet. It had cleats on the wall and it was terrible. Really like these open slats. They look really nice. Chris wants 2 more, maybe 3 more shelves. This one's fixed. This one's fixed. and then these two are these two are adjustable, and these holes are drilled all the way down to there. So 2 or 3 more to tighten them up a bit. And then we've got a door going on here, hinged on this side. And this space here, we're gonna use for brooms and mops, things like that, just every square inch. At first I was going to center it in the space, and we were gonna do drawers and a couple of drawers, so they would need to open. We decided we didn't need drawers, we were gonna do bins that like you get at Target. And I hung it up off the floor just because I like that clean look. It'll be easy to sweep. You can put a couple things under there. And this upper shelf is not super usable, but we could slip things up here and still see them so they don't get lost. The nice thing about the slats. But again, these are well made. So I've got the experience of putting one together, and this is the same tower kit, only the other one has a drawer added to it. Then I'll be able to run the base molding. This is up high enough that my 4 1/4 base will run underneath it. So I'm really, I'm liking this. This is gonna be really handy. Small house like this, which is plenty big enough for us, but storage becomes the challenge. So that's, the only kind of linen closet we have that services the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So we wanna get the most out of it. So to work I go to do some assembly. If you're enjoying the Florida Fixer series, then take a millisecond right now just to hit that thumbs up button and drop a comment down below. And also you can subscribe, and all of those things help drive that YouTube algorithm so that this video and our channel will be served up to more viewers. But one of the biggest things you can do at no cost to yourself is share a link to this channel with somebody you know. Help me grow the subscriber base, and this will help us reach more people and be able to create more videos. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.